Hi, my name is Jeff. I work at the Exploratorium in the retail team. I just wanted to introduce this product here. This is the Little Bits Electronic Music Inventor Kit. It is my favorite because it is a musical instrument. There are a bunch of different settings here. You'll see that there's a little keyboard here. It comes on a fancy guitar-shaped holder. There's kind of a board where you can attach a lot of the pieces for the synthesizer. Little switches and volume knobs and a bunch of little things that you can just kind of mess with to make these sounds be whatever you want them to be. Everything's removable and everything works by a magnet, so you can kind of pull things apart. The Little Bits booklet that it comes with kind of gives you a basic pattern that's going to basically put the battery into this that goes right into the speaker. I am going to go ahead and pull out one of these things really quick. If you want it to connect, you just kind of detach this. I'm going to switch this on, and through this to kind of get it started, there's a few things. There's a volume switch right down here. There's a octave switch right up here, and I can speed it up with this. As you can see, there's a lot of different things you can do with this just by adding one piece, and then there's 3 other pieces you can attach to this too. It's my personal favorite because I have been a musician for a long time. Synthesizers have always been kind of a mystery to me, and then this makes it easy for anyone. It does hook up to a smartphone. It all hooks up with other Little Bits instrument products as well. It comes with the Keytar, the air drum, the magic guitar, the dance guitar. It's usually for ages 8 and up. Get it at the Exploratorium on Pier 15. We have it here, or it's available on our website too at the exploratoriumstore.com. Help make some musicians in this world because I need people to jam with.